Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a quick video on my Louis Vuitton Noe bag. So this is my Louis Vuitton Noe, and today I wanted to go ahead and quickly string a new cord around my beautiful vintage baby. So I went ahead and was able to locate and find this vachetta leather cord for my Noe. So today I just wanted to go ahead and I figured since I had to go ahead and string it through, I figured I would do it on camera with you guys. You guys can help keep my company. If that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, keep on watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Give this video a like, as well as subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out anytime I upload videos on Louis Vuitton. So this is my vintage Noe, beautiful baby right here. On camera, stuff always looks so much more than in real life. In real life, this really just looks golden, but on camera, I can see some wear to the vachetta leather, and that's okay. The camera picks up so much stuff that's not visible to your real eyes in person, but I love the honey golden patina on my Louis Vuitton Noe bag. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And today, I wanted to go ahead and restring her. And I do have her stuffed right now. I'll go ahead, after we string her, I'll show you guys what the interior looks like because I have her stuffed right now so that she'll stay up while I string her. So let's go ahead and see if we can do this on camera. So I am gonna just basically, I want this vachetta cord has a smooth finish and a side that's not very smooth, that's like raw leather. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the raw leather side on the interior, and the smooth finish will be, I want on the exterior. So let me go ahead and see if I can do this with you guys on camera. So I started in the back of the bag and I'm pulling it through. So this is the way I have it. I know this is a hot mess. It's hard to do it on camera. I'm gonna try my best to do it and show you guys the outcome. But basically I'm just stringing this drawstring cord through each hole in the bag, each grommet, if we want to speak proper bag terminology. I'm pushing the string, the vachetta leather cord, through each grommet. Every place that there is an open grommet, I'm going to stick the cord through until I have it all the way around the bag, you guys. So let me go ahead and finish doing that. I think I'm going to do one side. I was going to do each side and just try to make sure I have it leveled out so that I don't end up with one, with one side being longer than the other. But I'm just freestyling it. So we're going to go ahead and just see how this works out. And I have debated on this bag whether or not I'm going to go ahead and maybe one day replace the vachetta leather at Louis Vuitton. That may be something that I do one day, but for right now, until I go ahead and do that, if I replaced the vachetta leather on all my Louis Vuitton vintage bags, I don't know how much that would be. So right now, I am just going to enjoy my vintage bags, my vintage Louis Vuitton bags the way that they are. And eventually, one day I may do one at a time, or the ones that really need it. But for right now, I'm just going to enjoy these vintage beauties the way that they are, because it can get pretty costly. It can get pretty costly, replacing the vachetta leather. So, sometimes I prefer, if a bag isn't making me happy and I'm not happy with the vachetta leather of a vintage bag, sometimes I prefer to just repurchase the bag with better vachetta leather rather than trying to take it to Louis Vuitton and have the bag redone. So here it is, you guys. I'm all done with the cord. One side is a tad bit longer, but that's okay because when we make the little knot, I like the way that looks if one side is just a little bit. And I actually can, let me go ahead and even it out. And I will say that one of the best videos, I got to give homage to my girl, Louis Vuitton Coffee Lover, one of the best videos that I've seen on YouTube ever with these Louis Vuitton Noe bags is one of hers from many years ago when she showed how to go ahead and tie this string. She knows how to tie it in a way that you don't have to keep tying and untying it. You don't have to keep tying and untying it. You can just go ahead and put like a little loop And there's a way to do it, and I'm just gonna knot it right now. But when I get off camera, I'm gonna go back to that video. That's a great video to reference to and go back and see exactly how you tie this little loop so that you don't have to tie and untie each time you go in the bag. So that when you go in the bag, you know, you only have to do it one time, and then you can leave your bag and access the items in your bag a little bit easier. So I myself am going to refer to a fellow handbagger and a fellow content creator here on YouTube, my girl, Miss Tiffany, and I will go ahead and make the loop in my bag so that I don't have to keep on tying and untying and knotting and unknotting. That way I'll be able to just slip it down, access the items that I want to get to, and then just go ahead and slide it back up when I want to tighten it. But thank you guys for sticking it out with me while I go ahead and restring the vachetta leather tab on my Louis Vuitton Noe. So let me go ahead and show you lovely ladies how beautiful and clean the interior of this vintage bag is. You can see there's no stains or anything in there. Beautiful interior, lovely bag. Absolutely love the Louis Vuitton Noe, and this is the large GM size in vachetta leather and canvas. And on this side right here, it says made in France, right there. And on this lovely size, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. On this lovely side right here, it does say that right there. I don't know, you guys probably won't be able to see that large on camera, but it is a lovely Noe bag that I could just wear and throw over my shoulder. Drawstring lovely bag. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stay tuned for more Louis Vuitton videos, and I'll be sure to see you soon in tomorrow's video.